going on, everybody? Bluegill Bandit out here today. Don't know if I'm gonna catch any fish or not. I'm gonna try and fish for a little while. I just wanted to show you guys. You know, I used to have that one little mint Honda. Well, I got rid of it and got a new fish mobile. So here's the new Bandit mobile. No, it ain't that truck right there. Little Acura TL Type S. I like it pretty good. A buddy of mine hooked me up with it. It's a new fish mobile. You see me out, make sure and holler at me. The old Bandit mobile. It's got all the VTECs. Stay tuned. What the what is that? Dude. Caught a plant. Stay tuned. Ha! Damn, you got one. The old Bluegill Bandit putting them on. He gone. Stay cheap. Finally got one. Alright guys, thanks for watching that little short video. Caught a few bluegill there. And checking out the old new whip, the old Bluegill Bandit mobile. If you're new to the channel, make sure and hit that old subscribe button down there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned.